Today, we're talking about a power that can completely transform your life. A power that schools never teach, most parents don't know, and yet it's the secret behind almost every successful and wealthy person. It's called financial intelligence. So, what exactly is financial intelligence? Why is it more important than academic intelligence? And why is it never taught in school? Let's dive in.
What is financial intelligence? Financial intelligence is the ability to manage money wisely. It's not just about earning money, it's about what you do with it, how you grow it, and how you make it work for you. Financial intelligence includes managing income and expenses, saving and investing, handling debt and risk, creating multiple income streams, recognizing financial opportunities. In simple terms, financial intelligence means making money serve you. Most people work for money. Financially intelligent people make money work for them.
Why is it more important than academic intelligence? Academic intelligence helps you pass exams, but it rarely helps you win life. Today, there are thousands of highly educated people struggling financially, while many who barely finished school have achieved financial freedom. Why? Because academic intelligence gives knowledge, but financial intelligence gives direction. Academic intelligence knows theory, memorizes information, solves given problems. Financial intelligence sees opportunities, calculates risks, manages money, creates money. Wealth is not built with academic intelligence. Wealth is built with financial intelligence. Why don't schools teach financial intelligence? This is the question everyone asks. Why do we learn math, physics, and history, but not money management? There are three main reasons. 1. Schools are designed to create employees. The system wants stable, predictable workers, not financially independent thinkers. 2. Teachers themselves were never taught financial literacy. You can't teach something you don't know. 3. Financial literacy is not encouraged. A financially educated society is harder to control. People who don't understand money consume more, borrow more, and stay dependent. That's why you must take responsibility for your own financial education. What mindset leads to wealth? Wealth starts in the mind. You earn money in your mindset long before you earn it in your bank account. Here are the 5 mindset traits wealthy people share. 1. They don't earn money. They create money. They search for opportunities, not salaries. 2. They fear not trying more than they fear failing. They calculate risks and take action. 3. They use money to grow, not to impress. They invest instead of consuming. 4. They constantly develop themselves. Money is a tool for freedom, not ego. 5. They buy time. Wealth equals time freedom. The rich buy back their time with systems and investments and leverage. As the saying goes, poor people spend money to save time. Rich people spend money to buy time. How to develop financial intelligence, step by step. Financial intelligence is not a gift, it's a skill, and skills can be learned. Here are 5 actionable steps to develop it. 1. Track and control your expenses. Wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you manage. 2. Learn financial literacy. Investing, debt management, cash flow, inflation. If you don't understand these, you're entering the money game unprepared. 3. Build passive income. The highest level of financial intelligence is making money while you sleep. 4. Invest in your knowledge. Books, courses, podcasts, mentors. Financial knowledge is like compound interest. The more you add, the faster it grows. 5. Change your environment. Surround yourself with people who understand money. Your mindset will automatically expand. Financial intelligence creates wealth. Mindset keeps it.
Financial intelligence is the hidden power behind wealth. It is the foundation that separates those who struggle for a lifetime from those who build a life of freedom, security, and abundance. If you start learning today, even with the smallest steps, your future financial freedom becomes far more achievable. Every new concept you learn, every habit you build, every decision you make with clarity moves you closer to the life you imagine. If you want to stop working for money and start making money work for you, this is your beginning. This is the moment you shift from survival to strategy, from uncertainty to control, from being led by money to leading your money. And if you want more videos like this, content about financial intelligence, money mindset, wealth psychology, and the steps to achieving true financial freedom, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Because this is just the first step. Your financial transformation starts now, and I'll be here for every step of the journey.